Alright guys, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about Get More Math and show you how to sign up for a free trial. So Get More Math is brand new software in the math educational world, and it's very innovative in what it does. It's designed to help students gain and retain mastery over mathematical skills. And I think the retention part is the important thing there. I think a lot of teachers struggle with that. Students tend to just learn something for a test, and then after they take the test, forget it. So each student has their own individualized account, and once a teacher teaches a skill, the students have to get so many questions right within that skill, and then what's really neat about it is it automatically takes them from that skill and starts to mix in review questions from anything that we've done in the past. And the teacher can set all of that, but it tries to give them skills where they have struggled in the past, not really where they have already gained mastery. So that's a pretty neat thing. It's very powerful from a teacher end as well, because you can see data in a multitude of ways. You can see where individualized students are succeeding or struggling. You can see class data. You can see it real time if they're working during the class. But that's a topic for another video, but very powerful from a teacher end. Alright, so how to sign up for a free trial. So the first thing you want to do is go to www.getmoremath.com. And once you're there, it will look something like this. This screen background changes a little bit. But up top, it has About, Features, Login, Demo. You want to click on Free Sign Up. So, like I said, this is very new to the mathematical world. The beta trial of this finished up not that long ago. So they're still trying to build their customer base. So they have this great offer going on right now that you can try it for a full year for free. So what's normally $15 a kid, you're getting it for free for a year, so that's a pretty great deal. And like I said, it's very, very powerful, very great stuff. So once you click free sign up, you want to go down to schedule your training. So they want you to implement this technology the best that you can, not just kind of have you sign up for it and leave you hanging to dry. So you go down through, you fill out all your information, first name, last name, school, email, all the basic stuff, but down at the bottom. So what days are you available to train, and what times are you available for training? So they have you attend, it's all online, but you attend a training so that you can learn how to use the software a little bit better and how to properly implement it into your classroom. Once you click send request, they'll send you an email letting you know some options of when you can attend a training, and once you get trained, they set you up for your class for your kids, and then you can go and set each student up a class, or have them join your class whenever they are in school for the first day. Another cool thing they have on the website here is if you go up to help and click on popular documents, there's just a few documents here that will help you out if you're going to implement this in your classroom. The first one, if you're going to use this and want to send out a parent letter, they already have one typed up for you. You can send it out to parents so that they know that you're using this software, so they know that their students should be working online on their device or computer or whatever they're doing the questions on. There's also one, just some teacher tips. They tell you how to design your assignments, what length they should be, how to recognize when students are struggling with it, how to know when that you should test or when you should stop and review something. So just a few teacher tips, good document to have to read if you're going to implement the software. But like I said, the main thing, the free sign up, it's very good stuff. I would highly recommend trying it out for a year. Even if you don't want to use it after that year, I think that you will. But I mean, you're not missing out on anything by giving it a free trial.